It's a bit scary.
Yeah, because we need to move. And I was like, okay, I want it. Just when we thought the journey was over, we were at the finish line. I'm not even gonna tell you how many houses for the whole time we've been looking at houses. Let's go.
The D
and Q
they out there
experience. But thank you guys for clicking on this video today. As you can tell by the title of this video, it's going to be about us
and our experience buying a home.
Buying a home.
We haven't completed the processes yet, but so far we want to share our experience with you.
Because it was a lot.
A lot.
We're closer to the end by the grace of God, but
the end is in sight.
About time. But we're just gonna share with you guys on what we have ran into, what our actual process was, some hurdles, some mountains, some valleys, some hills to climb. But yeah, before we do continue, if you guys do enjoy watching us and you're not subscribed, I suggest you subscribe now, because
your chance.
We got a mortgage to pay, and without your subscriptions and views, we can't pay them. I'm kidding. We got 2 full-time jobs, but yeah. So it's crazy that right now at this time of the year, which is March 2020, the stuff that's going on in the world that it started happening while we're in the middle of trying to buy a house, which kind of
a bit scary.
Yeah, because we need to move, and I don't need nobody delaying the process.
It's
but luckily,
delayed enough.
Yeah, luckily the people we're working with are also eager to move. So let's get to the video. So I'm looking down because I'm looking at my tablet, because I got my notes on my tablet.
I have things that she don't even have on that note. Like for instance, let me see. Okay, how this all started. It started by going to a seminar. Each city has a program that you can be a part of, or you can do, that it offers. Each individual can qualify based on your income for a grant. So for us, we went to the seminar, we got approved for the grant.
I know where he was going with this. Down payment assistance?
Yes.
That's what you had to say. I'm like, what is he talking about? Okay, go ahead.
Anyway, so we did the process. It was a long process. It was an 8-hour course. Did that, went through the counseling session, got approved for a good amount of money, but for a specific city. And this is where it all started, looking for homes. And we found one. It was a wonderful home, don't you say?
On February 22nd, 2020, we saw a house. The house was listed as a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home.
Mm-hmm.
We went to see the house. To our surprise, the house was a 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a pool. And I was like, okay, I want it.
It was 2 days on the market.
I said, I want it.
So we put in an offer.
Put an offer.
What date?
On February 23rd,
We put an offer in.
We put in the offer.
Our offer was accepted.
On February 24th, late night, like 9 p.m. at night, it was accepted.
Because apparently the seller needed to move. She was motivated.
She gotta move.
And we were motivated to buy this home.
Yeah, she said when she gets the offer, she's moving the next day. And
it was way under our budget.
Yeah, the house was under budget.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here it's all started.
Yeah. On February 25th, 2020, we signed the contract. The seller signs the contract. We set an inspection to be done on the house. We paid for the inspection with the company. We made the schedule. We made the appointment, all that good stuff. And then on February 26th, we found out that the city needs to go and do
their inspection. So this is where it all crumbles down now. With the city inspection, what they're looking for is, in order for us to get the down payment assistance or the grant, there needs to be no illegal additions to the home. And if there is, it has to have, if there are additions, not illegal, because with a permit it's not illegal. If there are additions to the home, then we can go through a process of getting permits for that home.
Now remember, the house was listed as a 3-2. We got there, it was a 5-2. So
obviously changes were made.
Obviously. We're still under contract, so even though the city has said they have to go through their inspection, we still have to go through with our contract set. So
yes.
We had to pay for the escrow, which was done on February 26th.
Right.
As well.
We paid half the escrow then.
Yep. And then the city made contact on the 28th to do the inspection.
With the seller. They made that contact with the seller.
But the seller do the inspection. And the seller comes back and says
they don't want to do the inspection because they're afraid that they're going to be fined. Now, we had the discussion, or realtor had the discussion with their realtor saying, listen, we know additions have been made.
We want the additions.
We want the additions. It is perfect for her office, so on and so forth. We want the additions. We are willing to work with them in getting the additions permitted, given that they were done up to code. This seller that needed to move so urgently was delaying that process so much.
So on March 4th, 2020, we canceled the offer.
If they don't want to do it, as a matter of fact, before that, they actually said, hey, don't do the grant. We'll give you $1,000 off the sale price.
Listen, the down payment assistance, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, was $50,000. $50,000. Why are we gonna take your $1,000 over $50,000?
It makes no sense. There's no common sense, and she would not drop the price
at all.
At all.
We canceled the offer on the 4th of March. They finally signed it on March 9th.
Yeah, they never wanted to sign it. They were going back and forth. We even had information from the city saying that their realtor told them that we were the ones delaying the process.
No, Felicia.
We sent it to cancel. They didn't want to sign that cancellation. They eventually did on the 9th.
Anyways, Trisha, you tried it, okay? I don't remember her name, but I've been calling her all different kinds of names.
She's been calling her all kind of names.
And that's that. That was the
9th of March.
9th of March, where that was officially done. But
first disappointment.
Yeah, so we canceled the offer on March 4th, and we didn't waste some time. The journey is continuing. Just when we thought the journey was over, we were at the finish line.
We were at the finish line.
And that our goal was to be completed. We are forced to complete the journey, well, to continue on this journey.
Of course, we choose.
We choose. No, we forced. We forced. She ain't gonna mess us up to benefit her.
So we choose not.
We forced.
We choose not to be messed up.
We choose not to be messed up. So here we go again, looking at more houses. Now we just left work early. So yeah, we are off work early, an hour early. Ooh. Well, let's see what we can see today, if we see anything. We just left a house, and now we're at another house. Let's see. All right, final decision on this house. This house needs a lot of remodeling, but it's very spacious, and everybody will have their own quarters. So on to the next house. All right, so we are at the 4th house for the night. You guys only saw one house because the other 2 houses after that is occupied.
People's privacy.
Yeah, I didn't want to walk around with the camera up on their business. The last house, the girl was like, sorry for the mess, but here you go. So now we're at another house. 4th house for the night. I'm not even gonna tell you how many houses